from Tiny Space Health, and I'm with
Hannah.
Yeah, from Tiny Space Health. And we're going to do some step today. Now, I'm just using a riser. I'm just going to march. Shall we march?
Yep.
Yeah, march. Okay, so you can use the risers if you want. I'm just using just the straight step, okay?
And she got the short straw because I get to just do it.
She's going to do it on the floor. So if you haven't got a step,
You can still do it.
basic step. I didn't give you any cues, but you know, that's what we do. So we're trying to fit in this tiny space, aren't we?
Yep.
Yeah. Have you got it? You're going to tap down and then left leg's coming up. So just up and down. As you do it, you've got to try to make sure that your whole foot is on the step. So whole foot all the time, yeah? You just have fun.
Yep.
Tap down, left, right leg, yep. Now, we might need a bit more volume. What do you think?
I think so.
I think a little bit more volume. That's better.
Yeah.
That's better.
Now we can groove.
Tap it, tap it, tap it. Yeah.
Did it.
Did it. So that's called basic step. It's pretty basic.
It is. But good.
Very good. Okay, let's one more and tap it. Okay. Oh, let's just walk it. Yeah, I was going straight into the next move. I'm going to show you slowly, okay? You're going to go up, tap, down, tap. So it's right, left, left, right. You got it? Tap, down, tap. Yeah?
Yep.
Let's speed it up.
Yep.
Up, tap, down, tap. And then we'll stay on this for 4 more. 3, 2, I think you've got that. Okay, just march it. No, we're going to march. Left, left, and left, left. Are you going to do up, tap, down, tap? Let's go. Up, tap, down, tap. This is good. So we're going to go through just the basic step moves. So if you've got a step, you're lying around at home in the garage somewhere, you can just do these simple ones. They're good to do in tiny spaces.
In tiny spaces.
4, 3, 2, 1. And just march it. Right, 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 right. Good. Okay, up, tap, down, up, tap, down, tap. Yeah. So I'm going to show you some other things we can add to this. Same step, but all you're going to do is curl it. Curl, tap, curl, tap. Anything with the arms?
Yep.
I like to do this one with this. I just feel it's just a thing. Yeah. Have you got it? Let's do a couple more. 8. So curl it. Can you show sideways? Yeah. See how she's curling it up. 4, 3, 2. We're going to march, 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 march. Other side. So by doing a little march, march on the floor, we can change legs. So you should be on left leg coming up now. Yeah? And we're going to curl it. We're going to curl it. You don't have to use the arms. Yeah, I'm going to. Curl. Good. Curl. And then in a minute, we're just going to do 4 more. 4. Then we're going to do a little march, march on the floor. That's 2. And 1. March, march. Right leg. Up, tap. Up, tap. Good. So the other one we're going to show you is just up knee. So, knee. Tap. Yeah? You got that.
I got that. You got
Good.
that?
I got that. Hopefully you've got that. Okay, we're going to do walk, walk. Here we go. Walk, walk. Knee, tap, knee, tap. Now, if you've got lots of room behind you, you can lunge. We don't have the room. We tried to fit it on the camera, but we couldn't. So we just stay here, which is a little bit more beginnery, a little bit easier, which is good. Okay, last one. Walk, walk, step, tap. Can you do step, tap? Sorry. We're going to angle it. Is that angle? Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1. March, march, step, tap. Is that we clever? That's pretty much good 80% of step moves we've just sort of done the basics for. Okay, here we go. This side, curl it, curl. Let's do 3, 2, 1, walk, walk. Yeah. 2, 1, knee. Hey, okay, whoa. Yeah. Last one, walk, walk. Knee, knee. March, tap, tap, tap. Just 2, hey? Change it, 2. How about curls? 2, curl. Curl, 2. Knee, up, hey. Change it. Good. Okay, just marching. I'm marching, I'm marching, I'm marching. We always do that so we know which leg we're on. Okay, excellent. 3 knee repeater. That's what we're going to do next. Okay, right leg, show you. Goes 3, 2, 1, tap down. 3, 2, give a little bend in that knee. Let's go. You see arms. Yeah, getting there. That's good. Hopefully you got it. Yeah, it's harder, a bit more intensity. Keep a little bend in that knee. What you do, Lux? March, march. And you're allowed to do whatever you want. As I'm sure she's doing something good behind. No, something cool, probably. Let's go one more, just working hard. Walk, walk, 3 knee repeater. We're going to do 2. That's 1. What? Change it. Okay, step tap. Excellent. Okay, here we go. Step tap. Step tap. Face this way. Yep. Step tap. Oh, you're right now? Or you want to face that way?
Good to go.
I don't mind.
I'm good to go.
Okay,
Ready to go.
Step tap, down tap. Working a little bit more inner part. Okay, we're going to do 3, 2. Then we're going to go across. 1. Go across, just 1, 2, 3, tap. Up tap. Up tap, that's 2. 1 more, and over. 1, 2, 3. And guess what? That's called over the top.
I wonder why.
Over the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Nice and easy, over the top. We're going to do that again. And this time on the foot, when we go across.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do a little jump. Here we go. Little lift. But you don't have to. You can keep it low. That's 1. We're going up. 1, 1, 1, and across. A little bit more intensity. You don't have to jump.
Yeah, if you want to.
If you want to. Anything with the arms. Whatever. We like to go sort of hoy, don't we?
Yeah.
We go hoy. Ready? Hoy. Hoy. How about we do one more?
One more.
Yeah? Hoy. Okay. Okay, march up, right leg. March up. Sorry, basic step. Step tap left. Here we go. We're just putting them all together. You can do it.
Got this.
Trust you. Step tap this way. Step tap. You can do 4. Okay? 3. Last one, change. 1, 2. Step tap. Step tap. Step tap. Change. Curl it. Curl it. I forgot what that was called. Let's change. 4. Curl. So what's next? We got 2 more of these. Knees, knees, knees. 4. Yeah. We're looking good. Looking good. Change it. 1, 2. Knees. Gotta be careful I don't bash my knee. Yep. Okay, 3 new repeater. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Tap down. Whoa. Change sides. Here we go. We're gonna do 2 sets, yeah? Tap down. Okay, do that again. We go. 3, 2. 1, tap down. 3, 2, 1, change. Hey, hey, hey. 3. I don't know why I say hey, hey.
I'm fine.
That's right. Step tap, facing that way. Step tap. We're doing 3 of them. There's 2, 1, and over. 3, 2, and 1. And hoy. She likes the hoy. She wants to go fast. 3, 2, 1. Hoy. Ready? Hoy. 1, 2. One more. Okay. Hoy. Hoy. Singles now. We go up and over. Excellent. Up and over. Add the sound effect, please. Hoy. Better. Okay, excellent. March it, march it, march it, march it. Okay. Well, I want to show us one more thing.
One more thing.
One more thing. Okay. So get on top of this step. March right or left. It doesn't matter. We're going to go facing towards you first. We're just going to step out and in. We go out and in. And if you think, oh, that looks really easy. It can be. Yeah. But if you go a bit lower, you're working a really good squat. And you're working through this leg as it lifts you up. Good for glutes. Glutes. Or claps. Claps. We're referencing something. Yeah, glutes. And in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's change sides. Hop. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to stay upright. Even if you're like, oh, that's a bit hard, just go here and in. Here and in. Harder. Down and in. Yeah? Let's go this side. Out and in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Change sides. What is she doing behind me? Is she working hard? Working hard. I'm working hard. Okay, we're changing the squats. Squat and up. Squat and up. Squat and up. Change sides. Squat and in. I'm doing curls here. Whatever you want to do with the arms. Doesn't matter. Mainly legs. Okay, 2. This side. Squat. 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 Other side. Squat. Squat. How are you going? Oh, working hard. I hope you are. I'm going to tell when I watch this video later. Singles. Let's go. Out. 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 You can make it wider if you want. I'm staying in because I want to stay on the camera. Show a few wide ones, Hannah.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's march it. March it. Good job. March it. Breathe. Right. 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 So we're adding it all together. You got it. Now's the time for close adjustment if you need. Yeah?
Yep.
Or drink water if you need.
Yep.
Okay? Basic step. Right. Go. Yeah? One more. Tap. Left leg. Go. I think I might do this one more time.
Yeah. I like this one.
Tap. Right. March up. Anything you want for the arms. Tap. Left leg. Excellent. Okay. Step tap this side. Step tap. 4. That's 3. Yep. That's 2. 1. March, march. Change sides. This is a nice cool bit. Good bit. Okay. Curl it. Arms. Curl. So really pull it in. Work it. You got one more. Change sides. Spread my wings and fly away. Change it. Knees, knees, knees. High knees. High knees. Feel like high knees. Change it. Knees up. Knees up. Okay, 3 knee repeater. You can do it. Go. 3, 2. Stay on this side. Tap down. And 3, 2. Change sides. Okay. Work harder with the arms. You push them out. Yeah? One more set. 3 knee repeater. Oh, I forgot what I was doing. Okay, let's go this side. There we go. That was right, I think.
I think so.
Oh, great. Okay, face this way. Step tap up. 3, 2, facing that way. 1, over the top. 3, 2, 1, over. 1 and 1. 1 up, 1 over. 1 up, 1 over. 1. Okay, boy, there's nothing to it.
Easy peasy.
Okay, boy. Oh, what am I doing? I'm going to go on top. I didn't cue you very well.
Oh, good.
I wanted to come into the chorus. Does it sound so nice?
It does. Just having a bit of fun.
Yeah. Let's change sides. I wasn't soaring there much.
I'm a bit sore in my legs.
Yeah, I know, me too. Okay, let's go here. Squat. Squat. 4, 3, 2, change sides. Go. 4. This is the last time. Come on. Not the last time, Trevor.
Just a minute.
2, 2. Squat. Yeah. Squat. Out. Squat. Out. Remember, that's too hard. Just here. Yeah? 2. Okay, march it, march it, march it. We're going to finish with 7 knee repeaters. We haven't done it, but they're just 3. There's 7.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
It's
We're
good.
good? Yeah, breathe. We're going to go this way. Right leg, 7 knees. Yeah? Go now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Change sides. Hit, hit. What are we saying? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit, hit. 3, 2. Oh, 3, not 3, sorry. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. This one is it. I can fly.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Excellent.
Nice.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Well done. Thanks for joining us. I'm going to do some. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. First I
Enjoyed this?
hopefully enjoyed it. And, well, they did.
We did.
And we'll see you next time.
Yeah.
Thanks. Remember to stretch. Bye.